Have you ever pondered over the state of your credit score? Or wondered about the best ways to boost your financial health? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of credit repair and how, with careful steps, you can take control of your financial future. Step 1. Obtain your credit reports. The journey to credit repair begins with knowing where you stand. Obtain your credit reports from the 3 major credit reporting bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Remember, you are entitled to a free credit report from each bureau once every 12 months. Step 2. Scrutinize your credit reports. Once you have your reports, pore over them with a fine-tooth comb. Look for any inaccuracies, outdated information, or incorrect data. These erroneous entries can drag down your credit score, and it's crucial to identify them. Step 3. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on your credit reports, dispute them immediately. Write a dispute letter to the credit bureaus detailing the inaccuracies. It's a good idea to include any supporting documents that validate your claim. Step 4. Prioritize your debts. Take a good look at your outstanding debts and start chipping away at them. Prioritize high-interest debts first, as they cost you more in the long run. Step 5. Pay your bills on time. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's a vital step. Late payments can significantly damage your credit score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Step 6. Limit new credit. While it might be tempting to open a new credit card account, try to resist. Too many inquiries or new accounts can negatively impact your credit score. Step 7. Maintain low credit card balances. High credit card balances can hurt your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio, the percentage of your credit limit you're using, under 30%. And there you have it, 7 crucial steps to DIY credit repair. Remember, repairing your credit is not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and a well-thought-out plan. But with these steps, you're well on your way to improving your financial health. To recap, start by obtaining and scrutinizing your credit reports, then dispute any errors you find. Prioritize your debts, pay your bills on time, limit new credit, and maintain low credit card balances. It's a journey, but each step you take brings you closer to your goal: a healthier credit score and better financial health. It's time to take control of your financial future, one step at a time. Like, follow, subscribe, and share. Comment with the word BLUE for one-on-one help, and we will have somebody answer you as soon as possible. There are only 20 spots left.